Let's move to Prepositionen mit Dativ. This is for German A1 level. This level is for A1.1 or A1 beginner level. So if you are learning German right now, this Prepositionen mit Dativ lesson is for you. So let's start. There are so many prepositionen that we can use with dative or the accusative. Now, I'm gonna explain with dative. So, number one, aus. Aus means out of or from. You can use for origin, cities, countries, or physical materials. For example, house of glass. That means it is made of glass. Another one, by. By means at, near, or with. Time is used for locations near a city or staying with people or at a company. So it means for example, you are walking by a cafe. You are working at a cafe company. So you can use by if you are working at some company, if you are working in company, and near if you are staying if you stay near a city or if you stay with some people, if you stay with someone, you can say by. By meinem Eltern, by meinem Bruder. Later I will explain details. And then another one is mit. Mit is with. Means with or by. You can use mit with people or you can use mit at means or by means of transport. For example, mit dem Auto oder mit you can write someone mit meinem Bruder. This means with by. And let's move to another one. Seit. Seit means since. For action that started in the past and still happening until now. So you can use seit for the means of since or for. And then nach. Nach means to or after. This is used for directions to a city, nach Berlin, or the time after an event. So it means nach dem Konzert, like this after an event. Von literally means from of. If you come out from a specific building, you can use von, or you can use this von for the meaning of to show possession. To show possession von einen Freund, von meinem Bruder. This means phone is used to show possession. And then another one, so when going to a person, if you are visiting to a person, zu einer Frau, zu einer Frau oder zu Paul, zu Maria, you can use zu or to a possible building or local destination. But if you mean zu Hause, it means you are not going to a house. You are at you are at home. Another one, gegenüber. Gegenüber is opposite, opposite or across. It often comes after the noun. Mostly, the preposition I use before noun, but for gegenüber, it's mostly used after the noun. Dem heute gegenüber. It means across opposite of the hotel or across the hotel. This mean like this. And let's move to another one. When you use this preposition, you must change the article of the noun. So this preposition are especially for only for dative. So you must change the article of the noun to the dative form. Their masculine must change to their article. The article is masculine. This masculine article must change to them. Thus, article must change to them. The article feminine must change to their. The plural article must change to they. Plus, you must add n to the end of the noun. This is the rule. You must know this rule when using this preposition. And then there are contraction with this preposition and this article. So bind plus stain mean bind. Phone plus stain, you can say phone. Su plus stain, you can say sorry, this one is soon. Soon. This must be soon. Can you see? I will make it large. This one must be soon. Su plus stain must be soon. This one must be soon. And su plus there must be sure. And then let's move. This one is how to use this preposition mit dative in sentence. Aus is aus Deutschland. Like you come off, you are coming from Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland like this. And the aus München, when you come from a specific city or country, you can use aus. And something is made of or something is made of glass. You can use that is made. You can use aus glass. Aus glass. And by meinem Eltern. You are living with your parents. You can say by meinem Eltern and by Berlin, by Nacht. In there Nacht also also can be used for specific condition, but for generally you can use for description or general uses you can say by Nacht. Mit dir, mit dem Auto for the transportation, mit dem Auto, mit dir, mit meinem Bruder, seit einem Jahr. And then now the action is still happening. And then nach Italian, to Italy, nach dem Konzert, after concert. And then let's move to another one. Von der Universität. You came out from the university. So you can say von der Universität. Von einem Freund. And then zu Paul. You visit to your friend zu Paul. Zu Hause. That means you are staying at home. Gegenüber dem Hotel. Gegenüber. If you wanna learn easy German grammar tips, please don't forget to follow me.